Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Cultbeauty Sunshine Edit. It is essentially a curated box for the summer where you've got quite a few full-size products and sample sizes from different brands at a very discounted price. If you've been eyeing this and you weren't sure whether you should pick it up or not, then you clicked on the right video. I'm going to be unboxing it for you, showing you all the products that come in it, and give you my final thoughts. If this sounds interesting to you, give this video a like and let's go ahead and hop right into it. This box retails for £40, but it is of a much higher value. I will put the value of this box on the screen. Last time I checked, this was still available on the Cultbeauty website, so you can still get your hands on it if you happen to like it. It comes in this cute box that says here, Cultbeauty. It is definitely a box that you can use again. It's very sturdy and very good quality. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. So it comes with tissue paper, white tissue paper on top, and these are all the products that come in it. The first product that screamed at me is the Here Comes the Sun D3 without UV damage, high potency vitamin D3. It is basically a dietary supplement, vitamin D3. Of course, I think anybody can use some of this. Not sure about using it in the summer because most of us do spend some time outside and do get a lot of vitamin D naturally, but I will definitely be using this in winter. And this is a full-size product, which is quite nice. Next product, again, another sample of this for me. It is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. This guy right here. I've received so many of this in my recent purchases. I definitely have quite a few of them. It's a nice sunscreen for those of you who do not want any white cast. It comes in like a silicone base, so it resembles a lot silicone primers. If you used any of them in the past, you know what I'm talking about. It says here UVB high protection, SPF 30, water resistant, which is quite nice. If you were somebody who works out, this would be great for you. I think this is mostly suited for oily skin and not necessarily dry skin. The next product is from Fresh. It is a lip balm. It's called Sugar Coral Tinted Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15. I love these lip balms by Fresh. I've used them in the past. They're essentially really moisturizing. They've got such amazing tints and they've got SPF, so why not? It comes like this. Really nice packaging, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It does have a decent tint, and of course the more you apply, the more opaque it's gonna get. I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this, and they smell amazing. The next three products are full-size products, and that's really where you're getting a really good discount. The next one is by the brand Caudalie Tan Prolonging After Sun Lotion, nourishing coconut and soothing organic grape water and aloe vera. It comes in 100 ml. This is essentially like a body lotion. I'm not somebody who tans in the sun, so I don't need something that prolongs my tan, but I love a good body lotion. So that's how I'll be using this. This has a very mild, gentle scent, which I don't mind in my body lotion. As long as the scent is mild and not overpowering, and I will definitely use it as a body lotion. I'm excited to be using this. Next product is actually an award winner. It is the Oskia London City Life Cleansing Concentrate Velvet Foaming Anti-Pollution Gel Cleanser. It comes in 40 ml and it is a full size. So this won the Beauty Bible Awards in 2020. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, nice packaging. Now, Oskia is a very expensive brand. So the fact that we get this in the box, this is probably more costly than the box itself. So that's nice. I am actually in need of a new cleanser, so I'm really excited to be trying this out. To be honest with you guys, I don't think I would spend so much money on a cleanser, so it's good to get this in a box at a discounted price. Oh, we've got two more products. I forgot the Kopari deodorant. So this is a coconut oil-based deodorant. It is a natural deodorant. I'm not a fan of natural deodorants, as I've tried so many in the past and none of them seem to work for me. But since I got this, I will be giving it a try. It does have great reviews. It might be really good. I don't want to judge the product, but it says here it's aluminum free, so that would be great for those of you guys who love natural deodorants and just want to try something out. This is quite a decent size. And the final product in this box, and that's the product I bought this box for, the Dr.Dennis Gross Dark Spot Sun Defense Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 50. So it is basically an SPF. Again, I love SPFs. It's 100% mineral filter, no chemical filters. It comes in 50 ml in this beautiful tube. I will be trying this out on a Sunscreen Sunday episode. It's basically a series that I do on my channel where I test out a new sunscreen every Sunday, and basically I put it on my bare skin so you guys can see what it looks like, and then I apply makeup on top of it and do check-ins twice a day so you can see how it held up under makeup and whether it disrupted the makeup, made me look cakey, all of that. You get to see all of that in those videos. So definitely, if you want to see how this sunscreen performs, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified once I upload that. And yeah, that was the final product in this box. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this box. I definitely think it's worth the money. It's only £40 and you get so many goodies. Specifically, if there's at least one product in this box that you want to try, then I would say this is definitely worth getting. It's such an amazing value and you get to try so many other things. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.